How to restart the Start menu process in Windows 11. Don't leave your Start menu hanging. Here's how you can restart the Start menu process on Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What's wrong with the Start menu? Whether we're finding a file or opening an application, the Start menu is where we often go first when we want to begin a task. However, the Start menu can encounter some issues such as unresponsiveness and sluggishness, which typically stem from performance problems with the Start menu experience host.exe. The most common way to resolve this is to restart your Windows system. However, many users aren't aware that there are alternative ways to fix these issues without rebooting Windows. How to fix Start menu without restarting Windows. Method 1. Task Manager. Open Task Manager and go to the Details tab where you'll find a list of running processes. Find Start menu experience host.exe, right-click on it, and select End Task. The process will restart automatically. If not, try opening the Start menu or manually relaunch the Explorer shell by pressing the Windows key plus R, typing explorer.exe, and pressing Enter. Method 2. PowerShell. Another option is through PowerShell. Open PowerShell and simply enter stop-process-name Start menu experience host-force. The process should restart automatically. Otherwise, run start-process-explorer.exe to relaunch the Explorer shell. Method 3. Command Prompt. Command Prompt is another method that uses a command line approach. Press Windows key plus R, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt and enter. As with PowerShell, if the Start menu doesn't automatically restart, type in start-explorer.exe to restart Explorer. Method 4. Full Explorer shell restart. However, if none of these three are able to restart the Start menu process, or if multiple UI elements are unresponsive, you'll need a full restart of your Explorer shell. For Command Prompt, use. For PowerShell, use. These will restart all Explorer processes and UI components, including the Start menu. With these methods, your Start menu will function properly once again without requiring a system restart. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to restart the Start menu process in Windows 11, linked in the description below.